Hi, thank you for joining this Cloudbees video. This video particularly aims to show the different steps that you will go through at your next logon when the double authentication methods are active. So first of all, you need to go to portal.cloudbees.com. You need to provide your username, click on Next. Then you can provide your password, click on Verify. You are now redirected to a page which shows the 4 methods provided to activate on double authentication. By far the easiest and the most efficient way is through SMS. So we'll start to configure that first. Choose the country linked to the phone number that you will link to Cloudbees. Click on Send Code. You will get an SMS containing a code that we will provide on your computer screen. Click on End. You are now redirected to Cloudbees Workspace. Now I disconnected my session and I'm going to show you how it looks like once everything is configured. So go to portal.cloudbees.com, provide your username, encode your password, click on Verify, click on Send Code. This triggers the sending of the SMS containing the code. So you'll see on your phone that an SMS arrived containing code 141592, which you will provide on your computer screen. Click on Verify. And you can now click on Cloudbees to access your Cloudbees session through Start Cloudbees. You're now ready to start your workday. I hope this video was useful. I wish you a very nice end of the day. Bye.